Hi, I'm Brendan Wilbur, Community Programs Manager here at Alternatives Federal Credit Union, and I'm here with your financial wellness tip. How many of us out there have unexpected expenses? You know, the car repair, the vet bill, the dentist bill, that unexpected trip to the emergency room? Or maybe it's the gifts or the vacation that your family went on that we just didn't quite plan for. Well, I'm here to tell you how we actually can make those things happen. The way that I do it is I look at these things as two different categories. I have some of them that make me happy, and I have some of them that make me sad. So I created two savings accounts, and every time I get paid, I put a little bit of money aside into each of those accounts. Now I'm saving with purpose. I'm saving for things that matter to me, and I'm lowering how much money I have in the moment to spend on my daily life. When these events come up, I have a guide. I have money that I can use towards those expenses, and I've put myself in a better place financially. Thanks. This is your financial wellness tip.